just put your index finger and then push the top layer like that.
I'm gonna start with U and U prime, and after that U2. U and U prime are so easy, just use your index fingers to push the top layer. You can practice these finger tricks in sexy moves or other algorithms. Just like that. There are a couple of ways to do U and U prime, and based on the situation, just pick up one of them. Alright, here's an example. You just finished a PLO and your thumb is in this position. So this is faster to do AUF like that instead of the other ways. Let's just do it one more time. Let's back to the U2, which is my favorite part, and the first way, which is the easiest, and of course, the slowest one is double flick. Let me show you. The second one, which is pretty common, just flick your index finger followed by your middle finger. You can do it either with your right hand or your left hand. It's up to you. The third one is my favorite. I really love that. Just flick your index finger and then push the top layer like that. I think this way is so useful, and let me show you an example. Well, you just finish your PLO and your index finger is in this position, so it is super faster to do U2 like that instead of the other ways. Alright, this one is a bit fancy and a bit tricky, and I don't think it's as good as the others, but let's just give it a try. And that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I try to cover everything that I know about top layer finger tricks, but if you know some extra tips, just feel free and comment down below, and catch you later.